This is a very precise and special work to do. It depends on the material or the part that we want to make, on how the layers are put on each other and what are the combination of them, how many of them we need. The thickest part of the aircraft is the wing, is the middle of the beginning of the wing, with 18 parts, 18 layers of fiber in it. So we arrive to the heat chamber, where the parts are brought in and given a heat treatment. In this way, they get solid and they get the result that surpasses all the individual materials. Let me show you around. These parts are currently being heated. There is an air circulation within this system, which uses 15% of outer fresh air and 85% of recirculation. These walls, air filter walls, basically are placed everywhere within the factory due to the chemicals that we are using during composite production. Parts are brought here when they are cooled back to the room temperature, and they are cleared from the additional parts that we don't need. On the right side, you can see that the part is taken out from the layers of the vacuum after the vacuuming. On the left side, you can see that the additional unneeded materials are cut from the edge so that we get the precise form that we will build in the aircraft.